In this video, I share a simple $10 business where you can make money fast and create big residual income too. It's something anyone can do. I was blown away when I saw how simple this business is. Even if you have tried to make money online before, but not had the success you were hoping for, this is the solution you're looking for. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondack Mountains. I've been making money online full time almost since the start of the internet, and the passive or residual income that I make has always been my driving force. If you are new to the term, residual income is money that keeps coming in month after month. Imagine still getting paid months from now for what you do today. Residual income is what lets me ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer, while most people are stuck at a job. Residual income is how you escape the rat race of trading your time for money. It's how you create both time and money freedom. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week about making more money and residual income. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So let me tell you a little about this simple business. It's an affiliate marketing opportunity promoting a high-demand digital product that almost sells itself. Affiliate marketing just means you sell someone else's product or service and get paid. And it's my favorite business model because it's so simple. No products to handle, no delivery or customer service issues, and because it's all done online, you can really leverage your time. This simple $10 business only takes minutes a day. And because it's all online, you can put that time in whenever it's convenient for you, even if that's at 3 in the morning. As for the money, this product pays an industry-leading 80% commissions. You can get paid every Thursday by direct deposit, and again, it also pays out long-term residual income too. What I really like is you can start out small and scale up as you go. You can make money fast. Many new people make money their very first day. There really isn't much of a learning curve. You will get excellent company support and your own app to manage your business. There is no techie stuff to do. You do not need to spend days building a website. And no, this is not one of those MLM things where you have to buy a bunch of products every month. I will be your personal mentor and coach. Nothing will be left to chance. You will be able to reach out to me by email, text, or my personal cell anytime you need help. And again, maybe the best part, this is a business that you can start for only $10. I tell people it may be the best $10 you ever spend. To learn more about this simple $10 business and to start making residual income today, go to attainmygoals.com/10.